Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a trader by profession. Uh, I have started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis and I also bring videos like this. Okay. So without any delay, let's get started. So I have this chart of Bank of Nova Scotia in front of me right now and I'm using candlestick chart, two moving averages, 50 and 200. And this video is not for day trading purpose. For day trading and all, I bring videos every day just before the market opens. This video is mainly for investment purpose. Those who have the shares of Nova Scotia in their portfolio or those who are planning to invest in this particular stock. This video is for them. So let's try to understand how is Nova Scotia in charts. Okay, we can see that it's in a very beautiful uptrend right now. Okay, I'm using daily time frame and you can see that it's in a very beautiful uptrend. Right now trading at 71.51. So does it mean that you can go ahead and buy? Let's try to find out by zooming out a little. Okay. So I've zoomed out right now. This is our present location of Nova Scotia. And you can see that Nova Scotia made made uh, made a high of 76.7 and 74.5 in the past. It was in the 74.50 level in the in on 13 February 2019. Oh, sorry, 2020. Sorry, and it was at 76.82 level in the year 2019, November 2019. So when we have zoomed out the chart, the picture has changed drastically. Okay, so one thing is very clear to us right now that though the stock is trading at 71.51 and the chart is very nice as of now, but when it will reach the levels of 74.50, it will face some resistance or it may show some reversal signs. Again, it will face some resistance or good amount of resistance, I would say, that at the level of 76.70. So it may show some reversal pattern or it may show some correction also, that I don't know. Okay, that I don't know. But it will face some resistance at this level and this level. Yeah, that is very clear to us. Sorry, some my eyes scratching. I don't know why. So, so let's find out what the 1 week chart tells us. Okay, now the picture is more dangerous. I'll say. Probably you have understood it very well that these are the levels. Okay, these are the levels that will be acting as resistance for this particular stock. So I'll say that if you're planning to start a fresh position in Nova Scotia, then just drop the idea from your mind as of now. Hmm. Because see, it will go up a little. Suppose if it breaks this level also, if it breaks this 74.3 level, and when it will move up again, it will face some resistance. Again, it will come down. Again, it will try to break resistance. If it uh, if it breaks the level also, again after moving up a little, it will face resistance at 78.3 level. Again it will have some fight. Hmm. Then again it will come down. Hmm. Again it will gather some strength and it will move up. Again it will face a resistance at 80.40 level. So you should not invest in a stock like this. And overall you can also see that the trend is also not good. Okay, the trend is also not good. This is the trend. Okay, I don't know about the fundamentals. I'm not going into the fundamental analysis. I'm not going into the balance sheet statement or cash flows statement. Okay, I'm just analyzing the stock from the point of view of technical analysis. That's it. Okay. So if you're planning to start a fresh position in Nova Scotia, then just drop the idea. And and if you've got this stock in your portfolio, then I'll say that the road will be very tough. The road is not clear until and unless it crosses the level of 85. Okay. Till 85, the road is very bumpy, very, very, very. It'll go up a little, come down, go up a little, it can come down. So you should not invest in this kind of stock. And if you're already in a position, then it will take time. It will take time. That's it. So this is all about the Nova Scotia. Hopefully, you all have understood the analysis and my opinion also. So that's it. So if you've liked the video and found the video informative, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get notification about more market related videos and market analysis. Okay. And thank you so much. And if you want to share your views, then please do comment. Thank you so much.